Good day. I just finished a repair on my 98 Honda VTR1000. It's kind of a known problem about this machine. The coolant pump seal is known to wear out every now and again, and when it does, you'll see coolant coming out of this tiny weep hole. It was doing this last season, and I thought it might clear itself up, but it didn't, so ended up replacing the coolant pump seal. Bit of work involved. Remove the right hand side crankcase cover, take the cover because that has the coolant pump assembly, and take it to the shop, get them to press it out and install a new mechanical seal, oil seal, and this time around I also had the impeller replaced. So shouldn't be a problem ever again, but otherwise yeah, got it back together, put the fairing back on, and take it for a rip.